Okay, in this video, I will introduce you to naming conventions, naming convention for JavaScript variables, naming convention for JavaScript variables. Okay, naming convention for JavaScript variables. Okay, so let me assign a variable to a value. So in line 1, let's say let first name equals let first name equal Paul. Okay, so if you look at line 1, it says let first name equal Paul. First name is the variable name. So in naming convention for JavaScript variables, it says give meaningful names to your variables. Give meaningful names to your variables. So in this case, the variable name here, which is first name, must be meaningful. And as you can see in line 1, first name is meaningful. Okay. All right. And the next thing is that variable name can't begin with a number. Variable name can't begin with a number in JavaScript. Variable name can't begin with a number in JavaScript. So in line 1, you can't begin the first name, or you can't begin the variable name with, let's say, one first name. No, it's not accepted. So in JavaScript, variable name can't begin with a number. And the next thing is variable name can't contain spaces. So in line 1, it can't be like this. Let first space name. No, it's not accepted in JavaScript. In JavaScript, variable name can't contain spaces. Okay. All right. So let me remove the space between first and name. Okay. And then the next thing is that variable name can only contain numbers, letters, $, and underscore. Okay. Let me write that one on line 3. Variable name can only contain letters, numbers, $, and then underscore. Okay, so variable name can only contain letters, numbers, $, and then underscore. Okay, so take note of that. And the last thing that I want us to look at is in JavaScript, you have to use, though you can use other types of naming convention, but I recommend that you use camel case or camel casing. Okay, so use camel case when naming a variable. Okay, when naming a variable. Okay, use camel case when naming a variable. So what the camel case means is that if you look at line 1, the variable name here is first name. And the first is one word and the name is another word. So two words combined. But the first word, the first letter of the first word is lowercase. And then the first letter of the second word is uppercase. And this is known as camel case or camel case in JavaScript naming convention. So first name, the F is lowercase, but the N is uppercase. Okay, so this is two-word variable name. If it were something like my first name, let me add my first name, then the F should also be in uppercase like this, my first name. Okay, the first letter of the first word must be lowercase, and each words that follow, the first letter in each word must be uppercase. That is what camel case or camel casing is all about. Okay, so now let me summarize everything. In naming convention for JavaScript variables, 1. Give meaningful names to your variables. 2. Variable name can't begin with a number. 3. Variable name can't contain spaces. And then variable name can only contain letters, numbers, $sign, and then underscore. And always use camel case when naming a variable in JavaScript. Share this video with others, and also like, comment, and follow us for more videos. You can also visit our website for our complete online IT training courses. Have a wonderful day.